Hey, what's up guys? Nub Gunner here. Hanging out with Keegan Dunlap and Warhamster. We're here on the range. They came out for a fun range day. Wanted to go ahead and shoot some cool guns. I know you've shot a little bit in the service, but we wanted to go ahead and have a fun range day. I know this Devil Dog here is needs a little range time too.
Yes.
And much needed, but let's get to it, guys. I'll load some mags.
Oh boy.
Keegan up. You bring some rifle ammo, Keegan?
It's like down and then in, right?
So I like to start from the front and then push up. Oh no, I'm gonna let you shoot first.
Oh great. Oh, thank you.
Put your hand. Are you right-handed or
I'm
left-handed?
left-handed.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm sorry. What does this do? Why
You're
is
fine.
it,
That's
why
a
does
safety.
It squish in?
There you go.
Okay.
High up into the gun.
Okay.
Fix your other hand.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
And then with your thumb, depress the safety. Both eyes open.
Yep.
Stand up straight. There you go. And then wherever you point the dot, slow and steady squeeze.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Did I hit it?
Yep.
Yay!
Left side there.
Why don't you show me how? Wow!
Go ahead, insert. Rack.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's coming back. Oh hell yeah! All right, 3, 2,
Yep.
1. I don't think I hit it. Oh! Oh!
There you go. Nice. Right in the chest.
Thank you. Whew.
Too heavy?
No. Not at all.
Yeah, those are cool. Is that you, John Wayne? Is this me? Is it me?
Got the Rossi 92 back. Really excited on it. Have the Whip Machine Co. suppressor and the Ren Metalworks Cerakote job and their cheek riser. Ranger Point Precision, of course. Amazing gun. Rossi 92, probably one of my favorite guns to shoot. It's just so fun. It's a good plinking gun. You actually feel like you're doing something. Such a fun gun. Like I said, it's one of my favorites to shoot. Glad to have it back. Ready to put some more rounds down.
He handles that thing much
So
better than
good.
I do.
So good.
A lot of practice.